Drawing number 1. It says create a drawing and write our name and our last name using the following tools. So first of all, I've opened Fusion 360, and what I want to do is start a sketch. That's what this green plus does right here. Now, similar to SketchUp, we need to choose a plane to start our sketch on. I'm going to click on this front plane. I can zoom in and out by scrolling with my mouse. And then all of my sketching tools appear once I click on that blue square. So I'm going to start by writing with the line tool here. Notice every tool you can again put your mouse over and it'll tell you what it is. And then if you leave it there, it'll give you a short description on how to use it. So for the line tool, I'm just going to click and let go. I can use escape if I don't want to keep dragging it around, but then I'm going to have to click on it again. I have my settings right now over here that are checked to show the sketch grid and to snap my starting points onto actual points on here. You can change that. But I've got my circle tool. Let's see, where's the arc tool here? I am also new to this. Let's click on create and we can see some more options. I'll do a 3-point arc, so we've got start and finish and then something in the middle. Go back to my line tool. And I've got your started now for your name. You're going to write your first name and your last name. And once you're done with that, you're going to use all the other tools. So it looks like one I haven't used yet is this spline tool. So if I click on the spline tool, what it does is it allows me to draw curved shapes. And then I can adjust my shape using these nodes. Once I like it, I can click the checkbox. And I can drag these nodes around to adjust the curve and what it looks like. I have to use the fillet tool. The fillet tool will curve my corners. So if I look at this R, this is a good place where I could use my fillet tool. You can adjust the radius. Right now it's set at 1 millimeter. So if you want to make that bigger, you can. Let's see, we're going to surround our name with circles, triangles, rectangles. We've already used the circle tool. So here's our circle tool. And then it says rectangles. Let's look under here. A few different ways to make rectangles. So if I click once, click again. What else does it have here? Triangles. So I can look at a polygon. It looks like triangle is not a choice for this polygon. This polygon is made by the circle on the outside, polygon on the inside. I can make a triangle with my line tool. Close it back up. I'll know it's a closed shape because it turns blue. And then I'm going to test out the move, rotate, trim, and offset tools. So let's look at here. This is the trim, the scissors. What those will do is just cut off a portion of what I've created. It won't delete the whole thing. Offset is similar to what we had in SketchUp. You can offset that shape and set that distance that you want it offset by. Move and rotate. I haven't gotten there yet. Let's take a look for those. Move and rotate tools. Here we go, move and copy. So if I want to copy this, okay, I can select it and then I can, looks like move it. I'm going to select it like this. Now I can move it wherever I like. I can Command C and then Command V, paste a new one somewhere. And there we are. So you're going to have your first name and your last name on here. Couple other things. We'll want to save our work when we're done. To save, we can click on this little disc up here. We'll title this Drawing Number 1. And then go ahead and save that, and then it'll be available for you. When you're all done, you're going to click on the right-hand side here at the top or bottom, Finish Sketch, and that'll finish up your sketch. So there we go. There's drawing number 1.